Before joining Firefly, every day was clock in, clock out. It was monotonous, to say the least. I have one product. If you fit inside of this box, awesome. If you don't, sorry. Since joining Firefly, my box got a lot bigger. They call us for a reason. They want us to help them. We can do that. We have so many options now.
Many insurance agents like you are frustrated. You want to offer the best coverage and rates to your customers, but too often you can't. You know that having more carriers and ultimately more options is what you need to grow your agency. But it's really tough to get appointed with independent insurance companies on your own. And even if you do get a few carriers, you have to worry about meeting their production requirements every year so they don't cancel your contract. This is where Firefly can help. We get you a direct appointment with every insurance company we have in your state. In most our states, that's about a dozen carriers. Think about trying to meet production requirements for that many companies on your own. It would be almost impossible. But great news. As a Firefly agent, you don't have to worry about production requirements or sales quotas. You'll love having a variety of competitive options for your customers. You'll write more of the accounts you're already quoting. And you'll keep those customers for years because you're not just another independent agent. Instead of having to put customers with a carrier that demands more premium from you, you have the freedom to put them with the insurance company that fits them best.
I think one of the biggest frustrations that I had with the previous carrier that I worked for, it was a single carrier. So when I'm going in and I'm trying to quote someone, I only have one rate to give them. And now with Firefly, I have 20 plus companies, and I'm very confident that when I'm quoting somebody, I'm probably going to write them.
Before they started with Firefly, most of our agents had a moment of clarity where they looked into their future and realized something had to change. If you've realized that what you're doing won't get you where you want to be in the long run, what is it costing you if you don't do something about it now? Until you find a better way, you'll continue to lose prospects, lose customers, and miss out on referrals. You're not only missing out on commission, but you're losing the time that you could be spending on a brighter path.
As a captive, life is totally different. I could get in front of everybody, but I wasn't able to help them. It was like going to a restaurant and not being able to eat. Here, they offer you so many carriers, so many different avenues, and their main focus is to be sure that you are taking care of your customer first, building your rapport and your relationship with them. That's the biggest thing. They actually care for you versus it's just numbers.
Becoming an independent agent is a big deal. It's the kind of decision you need to get right the first time. Firefly might not be a good fit for you, or we might be exactly what you're looking for. The first real step to finding out is to talk with us. Ask us all the questions you want, and we'll answer. We'll also ask you about your current situation, your challenges, and your opportunities. This will help us figure out if we're a good fit for you. Then you'll talk with one of our agents. You can ask them how they knew it was time to go independent and how their transition went. Ask them anything. That agent will also ask you some questions to see if you seem like a good fit for Firefly. Finally, sign up, watch your carrier appointments roll in, then grow your business.
If your experience is like that of our current agents, all of your new carriers will increase your closing ratio. You'll close more of the quotes you're already running. You'll retain more of your customers, even when one of your companies takes a rate increase. Those customers will give you more referrals. More importantly, you'll have the confidence to ask for referrals. Your income will grow, and the insurance business will be fun again.
My relationship here is wonderful. I absolutely loved it from the time I came on board. They are very supportive. They had exactly what I needed.
Being able to truly offer a one-stop shop, it's just a breath of fresh air.
I had been with a single carrier for over 25 years, and change is scary, but it really isn't. They're here to support you and make sure you are successful, because they'll be successful if you're successful.
I'm very happy where I'm at. My life has changed. That's due to Firefly.
Can't wait to learn more? Visit our blog and read all about becoming an independent agent. Whether you choose to work with us or not, the information there will help you on your way. Hundreds of agents have already grown their business with Firefly. You can too. Call today.